Right now, your PC is sitting on a pile of garbage you don't even know about. 3 folders buried deep inside Windows, stuffed with files that haven't done anything useful in months. Microsoft won't point you to them, and most cleanup videos won't either. I'll walk you through every single one and show you exactly how to empty them safely. There's no third-party tools, no shady installers, nothing to break. First though, you need to understand why this junk is even there in the first place. Whenever you launch a program, Windows secretly logs a little record of it so the next launch feels snappier. That's smart in theory, but the problem is that record never goes away even after you delete the program. Add to that the digital crumbs left behind by software installs, system updates, and stuff running in the background, and you end up with folders bloated with files nobody asked for. They were supposed to vanish on their own. Spoiler, they don't. So let's fix this. Step 1. The Prefetch folder. Press the Windows key and R together. A small round box pops up in the corner of your screen. Type exactly the word Prefetch, then hit Enter. Windows may ask for permission to access the folder, and if it does, just click Continue. That's normal. You're opening a protected system folder, and Windows wants to confirm it's actually you. Before you delete a single thing, do this. Right-click on empty space inside the folder and choose Properties. Look at the size. In my example, it's only 20 megabytes, but in yours it could be up to 10, 15 gigabytes even. Write that number down or just keep it in your head because we're going to compare it at the end and you're going to be surprised. Now press Ctrl+A to select every file in the folder, then press Shift+Delete. Not regular delete, Shift+Delete. The difference matters because regular delete sends everything to the recycle bin where it just sits. Shift+Delete removes it permanently and frees the space immediately. A few files are going to refuse to delete, possibly. That's completely normal. Windows is actively using some of those prefetch files right now, so it locks them. Click Skip whenever that warning pops up and let everything else go. Step 2. Your personal temp folder. This is the one that usually holds the most junk on the entire PC and almost nobody knows it exists. Open the round box again with Windows key +R. This time type %, the word temp, %, again, so it looks like %temp%, then hit Enter. That little shortcut is doing something clever. It tells Windows to find your personal temp folder automatically, no matter what your username is or which drive Windows is installed on. It works on every single Windows PC. Memorize it, because you'll use it for the rest of your life. Now look at what's actually in this folder. Every installer that crashed halfway through is in here, every app that closed unexpectedly, every browser that hiccuped, every program that promised to clean up after itself and it didn't. It's all sitting right here, doing nothing. On a PC that hasn't been touched in a year or two, this one folder alone can be holding several gigabytes of pure waste. I've seen hit 10, 15, even 20 gigabytes on some machines. Press Ctrl+A to select everything. This time, regular delete is fine. You don't need Shift+Delete here. Same rule as before. If Windows tells you a file is in use and can be deleted, click Skip and move on. Let the rest of it go. Step 3, and this is the one most people don't know about. It is delivery optimization files. Here's what's happening. When Windows downloads updates or Microsoft Store content, it may break those downloads into smaller pieces. Depending on your settings, your PC can also keep some of these pieces cached so other Windows computers can pull from there later. These files can pile up into multiple gigabytes, especially after major updates. And here is how to wipe them. Open the Start menu and type the words Disk Cleanup. Click the Disk Cleanup app that appears. When the list appears, scroll through it and look for delivery optimization files. Check that box. While you're there, you can also check temporary internet files and thumbnails if you want to clear those too. Leave everything else unchecked unless you know what it does. Then click OK, confirm with delete files. Windows clears it all in the background. And that's it, all 3 locations are clean. Now go back and remember that size number you saw in the Prefetch folder properties earlier. See, that number plus whatever was sitting in your temp folder plus the delivery optimization files you just wiped, that's exactly how much space Windows was holding hostage on your PC. Files from programs you uninstalled years ago, updates you installed and forgot about, junk that was never doing anything for you. No paid cleaners, no sketchy downloads, no risk. Windows is going to rebuild every file it actually needs the next time it needs it. Everything else is gone for good. Drop your numbers in the comments. How many gigabytes did you get back? I read every single one. See you in the next one.